Hello viewers, in this video we are going to discuss hierarchical model. Hierarchical model organizes data into a tree-like structure that starts from the root node and then expands like a tree, adding child nodes to the parent nodes. This model efficiently describes many real-world relationships. Here in this model, pointers are used to link the parent node with the child node and also to navigate between the stored data. This model represents one-to-many relationship between the different types of data. For example, one department can have many courses, many professors and many students as shown in this figure. Let's now see the advantages and disadvantages of hierarchical model. Its notable advantages are simplicity and data integrity. That is, hierarchical model is very simple and fast to traverse through a tree-like structure. And since any change in the parent node is automatically reflected in the child node, the integrity of the data is maintained in the hierarchical model. So, simplicity and data integrity are the most notable advantages of hierarchical model. Let's see the disadvantages of hierarchical model. In hierarchical model, data access is very slow because searching for data requires to run through the entire model from top to bottom until the required information is found. It makes data access very slow. For example, if we want to access a student record, the entire path from college node, that is root node, to student node has to be traversed. The next disadvantage of hierarchical model is it does not represent complex relationships such as many-to-one relationships and many-to-many relationship. The next disadvantage is that if a parent node is deleted, then automatically the child node is also getting deleted. For example, if you want to delete the department node, then all the nodes which are connected to it, that is courses, teachers and student nodes, are also getting deleted. This is one of the notable limitation of hierarchical model.